If you wake up with jaw pain or headaches, you might be dealing with bruxism, nighttime teeth grinding or clenching. It can wear down enamel, crack teeth, and leave your jaw muscles sore. Common triggers: stress, sleep disruption, caffeine, alcohol, and sometimes sleep apnea. Quick fixes. Cut late caffeine, relax your jaw before bed, and talk to your dentist about a night guard. If you snore or feel exhausted, don't ignore it. Get checked for sleep-disordered breathing. Save this. Your teeth will thank you.